got the water off. Now let's go to the water heater. This particular travel trailer is a Grand Design Imagine 2150 RB. We're full-timers. We've had this rig about a year and a half. This is our first time to change out the anode, so we'll see what it looks like. Here it goes.
Oh.
What in the world? Why is there no rod? Did it erode off in the tank or what?
Oh yeah.
No way. That can't be good.
That's why our faucet always gets clogged up.
This is definitely the reason for that. There we go. Hopefully it won't leak. Alright, so as you guys know, our anode rod had eroded off. So it's obviously stuck in the tank and we need to get it out. So we just got back from Camping Road. We purchased this little tool to help clean out the tank. Let's see if anything comes out. Okay.
Nice.
Okay. You don't want to tighten it too much because you don't want to strip the threads.